Now if you look at question number 6, 4, we have 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 5 by 6, 3 by 8 and 7 by 12. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. But here neither the numerator nor the denominators are same. So we need to take the LCM of the denominators. That means here the denominators are 3, 3, 6, 8 and 12. So I have calculated the LCM here. So we have 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 in the LCM. So our LCM will be 24. Now again we have to convert this, we have to make all the denominators same, and then we will compare which is the greatest among them, or we will arrange this in ascending order. So 2 by 3, so 24 divided by 3 is 8. So we have to multiply 8 in both numerator and denominator. So this will be equal to 2 into 8 by 3 into 8. So this is equal to 16 by 24. Now 1 by 3, again we have to multiply by 8 in both numerator and denominator. So 1 into 8 by 3 into 8. So this is equal to 8 by 24. Now 5 by 6. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. So 5 into 4 by 6 into 4. This is equal to 20 by 24. Now 3 by 8. So again 24 divided by 8 is 3. So 3 into 3 by 8 into 3. So this is equal to 9 by 24. Now 7 by 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So 7 into 2 by 12 into 2. So this is equal to 14 by 24. So this is how we have arranged this in, converted this into like fractions. Now we will be arranging this. So now on arranging these in ascending order, we get, see the smallest one is this 8. So 8 by 24. After that we have 9. So 9 by 24. After that we have 14. So 14 by 24. Then 16 by 24 and then 20 by 24. But we cannot leave it like this because our question was this. So we have to bring this back into these terms. So 8 by 24. 8 by 24 was 1 by 3. So we write 1 by 3. 9 by 24 was 3 by 8. So instead of 9 by 24 we write 3 by 8. Similarly 14 by 24 it was 7 by 12. So we write 7 by 12. 16 by 24 was 2 by 3. So we write 2 by 3. And 20 by 24 was 5 by 6. So we write 5 by 6. So this one is arranged in ascending order. So in number 6 we have 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 17 by 24, 3 by 4 and 23 by 36. So here neither the numerators nor the denominators are same. So we have to convert one of these, that is either numerator or denominator, into like fractions, or we can convert this into the same. So we are converting the denominator same. So we have to take the LCM. I have shown you the LCM here. On calculating the LCM, you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. That is 72. Now our first fraction is 5 by 6. 72 divided by 6, we have 12. So we will multiply 12 on both numerator and denominator. So 5 into 12 by 6 into 12, that is 60 by 72. 7 by 9, 72 by 9 is 8. So 7 into 8 by 9 into 8, we have 56 by 72. 17 by 24, 72 divided by 24 is 3. So 17 into 3 by 24 into 3, we have 51 by 72. 3 by 4, 72 divided by 4 is 18. So 3 into 18 by 4 into 18, we have 54 by 72. And 72 divided by 36, we have 2. So 23 into 2 by 36 into 2, we get 46 by 72. Now on arranging these in descending order, we will have the greatest one first. So we will move from bigger to smaller. So 60 by 72, then 56 by 72, then we have 54 by 72, then 51 by 72, and then 46 by 72. But we cannot leave this here because the question was this. So we have to again convert this back to this one. So 60 by 72 was 5 by 6. So instead of 60 by 72, we write 5 by 6. Then 56 by 72 was 7 by 9. So we write 7 by 9 here. 54 by 72, that is this one. It was 3 by 4. So we write 3 by 4. 51 by 72, it was 17 by 24, so we write 17 by 24. And the last one, 46 by 72, it was actually 23 by 36, so we write 23 by 36. So arrangement in descending order will be 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 3 by 4, 17 by 24 and 23 by